Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will compare two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the Igloo. Both machines promise to deliver 26 pounds of ice per day. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into their features, performance, and value to see which one is the best fit for you. The EUHOMY ice maker shines with its impressive speed, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo takes a bit longer, generating 8 cylinder-shaped cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. If you're looking for quick ice for your gatherings, the EUHOMY has the edge. When it comes to design, the EUHOMY features a built-in handle for easy portability, making it ideal for camping or outdoor use. On the other hand, the Igloo boasts a compact design that fits snugly in smaller spaces, making it perfect for dorms or RVs. Both designs have their advantages depending on your needs. In terms of pricing, the EUHOMY comes in at $94.99, while the Igloo is slightly more budget-friendly at $87.99. Both machines offer similar daily capacities, but if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Igloo might be the better option. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Igloo ice makers have their strengths. If you prioritize speed and portability, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if compactness and a lower price are more important to you, the Igloo is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.